Kibor synshar ka West Jaintia Hills, ryngkat bakari India baroh kawei, pynlong ya ka lehkmen tamasa ha ka arpusan tarik Kyllalyngkot, ban Rakhe ka Sngi Nongthep Vote, ban pynkynmaw ya ki paidbah ya ka jingkordor, ban jied ya laki nongmihkhmat paidbah, da ka Balei thep ya ki vote jengki ha ka arpunyau tarik Rymphang hajar arpulai. Kamat pyrta shla la shim ha ka ni ka kynti kalong, Leit Vote, Balei Ngan Pep. Nothing like voting, I vote for sure. Ki ophisar rangba jong ka district kila pelong ye kani kasngi kemen bakat lai ha JNV Mukhla nongmihkhmat do Deputy Comissioner ba B S Sohliya.
India, that voting as already enunciated, it's a right, it's a legal right, it's a constitutional right, and at this point in time I urge the young people and of course all of us who are already enrolled in the electoral rolls to step out, to come out on the 27th of February to cast your votes. And in doing so, you will be an instrument. Although you feel perhaps at the time when you enter the polling station and you go to the balloting unit to press on a button of your choice, at that point in time, you're alone. You feel you're alone. I'm going to press this button. I'm alone here.